Hey YouTubers, Celebrity Techbrick here.
Today I'm going to be working for my computer building L plates. Here we go. So you want to start off with this. Can I do this before? Oh, I got it. Can I get some help, please? So, just give me a minute. Oh, that's the best way to do it. Stuck. No. It's not even coming out. It's fucking cancelled. Actually, serious one. Oh, here we go. I got it. Now that's the easy step. Moving on. How do you pick these up? Will I break it? Moving on. Lovely.
You broke it.
It's the fourth take today. Oh, it's good. I was actually reading reviews about this.
Yeah.
I was watching a video, and this guy was like, "Oh, you know, the pull tab that doesn't work on my computer, but I guess that's just my case. It's not just his case. This is cancer. Why did I buy this?" Oh, got it. Never mind. I'm just
the
joking.
components go in there.
Deep cool.
So, I'm
I'm gonna grab a HDMI cable. Fit right in there. Or that one. Which one do you reckon? That one?
No, the other one.
That one?
No, the other one.
But
What kind of texture is that?
That's the Forest Diddy pen.
Alright. Why'd you get red?
Because it'll go faster. You know, like red cars.
No.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna break cables if I do that, Jesus Christ. Here we go. Is that a smudge mark on my lens? Are you kidding me? So I'm gonna open the motherboard now, because that's what you really start with. I was just joking about the... So, here's your OI shield, your SATA cables, and a lone screw, like a lone wolf without a pack. Here's our manuals. So you got a manual and your drivers that you're gonna want to install. Your drivers license, your drivers. Moving on. Here's the actual Mobo. We said to do it on top of the box, so we'll do it on top of the box. Let's break something. That's the bill. We'll see you next time. Oh, right. Everything's still here, isn't it? I didn't. You're gonna want to start off with your RAM.
Oh yeah?
Your RAM. Okay, we're gonna find a little arrow. Lovely. Just chuck it in right there. Is that correct?
No.
I'm just gonna try this one back down.
No, you broke it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep going. You fuck.
You boy?
There it is.
Keep this for later use. Here we go. Alright, now for the most cancerous part, doing the CPU cooler. Here we go.
Where's that sweet thermal paste at?
Probably in the CPU cooler. No!
Oh no.
I think there's thermal paste in here. Pretty sure that's what it said on in the description.
Looks like a fucking
Unless
fan
I got
to
the
me.
other one. Because I remember looking at like 2 or 3 different ones. Oh!
Oh.
Boy, look at that sweet thermal paste.
No, it's heroin.
Oh.
Same thing.
This is also confusing. Why can't we just have a simple CPU cooler? Yes. So you're about to install the CPU cooler. Yeah. What I want to make really clear is you got to keep this plastic on here, or it will not work. The heat spreader will not, dissipate heat correctly throughout the system.
That's a big word.
What? Look at this battery. What is that? Is there a battery?
Because there is. Don't touch it.
Have you got a battery in yours?
Yes, everyone does.
I didn't know there was battery.
This is why you don't have your L plates yet, mate. These ones.
I haven't seen that on anything. Yeah, the L plates, I understand.
How disrespectful.
Is that a Molex connector? That's cancer, boy. It's fucking cancer.
And off we go.
I'm going to be installing a RAM now. It's a Corsair Value Select.
Because
DDR4
you're cheap.
Because I'm cheap. I save the most money on this build as possible. I just want to... Yeah, lovely. I'm going to line up the little notch. Notch
Is
from
he the
Minecraft.
Minecraft developer? Is that a special technique or?
Yes.
It's good so far.
It's good so far.
Bang! And the dirt is gone.
Thought it snapped.
It did. Don't acknowledge that. Don't acknowledge that. You're working. Come on. Unbox the
Calm
PC.
down. Oh, it's that gross plasticky plastic, not the nice like, oh, that's open the box plastic. It's just that. Now we're gonna get a custom cable mod cable. Look at that little motherboard in there. Get close up to that motherboard in the power supply for you.
Oh, you got a dual monitor board.
Yeah, boy. Oh, that looks gross now. Will the window be able... Oh, I don't think you'll be able to see that through the window.
Windows 10.
Maybe I should just take that off. If
No.
I can see it through the case, I'm just going to peel that sticker off because it's fucking gross. Take a photo of it if I need it for later use. Please come on the house by phone.
What's my name?
Techbrick.
It's better. Emergency exit escape pods over here.
That's be rude.
Can make a fire. Should have stepped on my graphics card then.
You should have.
That would have been funny, man.
Look at his hair follicles.
Oh boy.